What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over VeCHAIN, guys. VET currently we're sitting at 14 cents. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.37 billion. It's kind of frozen, and the 24-hour volume is 1.02 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free. Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives, and you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and VET has broken out of a couple patterns here. We have a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, but you can break out to the upside. We had a double bottom, which we've already broke out of, and you can see VET is heading up to that target of 15 cents. All right, guys, and there's a much larger pattern that we've been seeing across the board on the daily charts. So for VET, could either be an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or you also have a cup and handle. But either way, the neckline is the same and the breakout is the same. You can see we're just starting to break the neckline. If we get back above the golden ratio, that's a massive signal, guys. And you can measure your breakout target for VeCHAIN, and that would bring you up here. Let's give it a little price target to about 22 cents for VET, pretty close to our all-time high. And that's a juicy appreciation here of about 64%. So that could be an incredible trade opportunity. And if you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, you can check out my full length tutorial. Make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses, my favorite platform for leverage trading. So we're looking really strong, guys. Once we get back above the golden ratio, it gives you more confirmation of heading up to the 1.272 extension here at 27 cents. And then you have the 1.414 or the 1.272 at 43 cents, and you have the 1.618 up here at 78 cents for VET. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of basically 500%, guys. So beautiful opportunity to get into VET if you haven't already. As an investor, in my opinion, we've had the bullish cross, so we're about to break above the golden ratio. You break above that, that would be a beautiful opportunity as an investor, and also a good trading opportunity as well, as it does signify that you're reversing the trend here and you'll head up to your all-time high at 27 cents, and then these price targets 43 cents and 78 cents for VET. The market is looking really healthy right now. Bitcoin just started to break out of 50.4K. Currently we're sitting at 50.7. So hopefully we see some bullish volume here, or we see a little back test of support and we continue up to this price target at 51277. And of course the market will follow. We're moving a little bit slowly right now. ADA just starting to break out. XRP not really moving too much here. So the alts are still a little bit asleep here. XLM is breaking out, but this is about VET, guys. So keep an eye on the golden ratio. You break above, you back test it as support. You have that technical target up at 15 cents. And then you have this massive tradable pattern here that would take you all the way up to 22 cents for VET. That's it for this one, guys. Sign up to Bybit. Smash that like button. You can check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.